Good Thursday, everyone, and welcome to AIM HQ Early. I'm meteorologist Jen Carfagno. It is the beginning of the end for Winter Storm Chloe. Now, it's not done yet after covering, I think, are the key that, we're in the 20s this morning, as you saw where Mike is in Secaucus. So there could be icy spots. Anything untreated would be an issue. Here's the snow in Pennsylvania right now, right across the Keystone State, both 80 and 76. We're getting some snow. It's falling steadily. So accumulating snow a couple of inches around State College, Pennsylvania, maybe not in Philly, but north of there up towards the Lehigh Valley. You guys are getting some snow. The Poconos are getting some snow as well. But this moves out quickly. I mean, this is a clipper, and that's how these things travel. They travel fast. It's out of here by 8 o'clock into Pennsylvania. Look at the tri-state. We do have a couple of snow showers still left, but then again, quick, getting out of here by about 9, 10 o'clock. So the snow is over before you even have a chance to run to the window to see if it's happening. Here's how much is expected. Again, central Pennsylvania, Laurel Highlands, you guys are going to get a couple of inches. It's, like a 2, maybe 3-inch kind of additional snowfall that you will see here. Elsewhere, very, very light. New York City, there is a chance for snow showers this morning. Not expecting much accumulation. Again, mainly on, I think maybe some of the grassy areas. But if the roads are treated, they'll be fine. Temperatures will be cold, though. So if the roads are not treated, that's where you could run into some icy spots. Providence, Rhode Island, our temperatures, too, going to be in the 20s. So the key is you're watching bridges, overpasses, and any untreated surfaces. Watch your sidewalk and your front out to the forecast. So as we look at the pattern change, it does mean when this next system comes in, we are not going to get a big dumping of snow. We are going to see, though, moisture come back, and it's going to be rain that comes our way. So here's the pattern change getting into the weekend. We're going to see more of a ridge building across the middle of the nation and starting to build into the east. That's going to mean temperatures do actually warm up as we trend into the weekend. So you know what? I'm not moving along for some reason on my clicker. But we are going to be watching for warming temperatures with a pattern change like this. Not as hot as we've seen in the west, but we will see an uptick from these below average readings. Temperatures will be going above average. And it does mean that when we watch for precip to come in, it's all rain. So rain is coming our way into Texas. This is on Saturday and Sunday. All the moisture comes into the southeast, and it will be warm enough that it's all rain that we're talking about. Temperatures actually be in the 50s and 60s. And then we look at your Monday forecast. It sticks around. So we still have some rain in the forecast continuing now into the mid-Atlantic. It could add up to more than an inch in spots here. It's a decent soaking coming on in here. We got some Gulf moisture at play to come in. So we watch places like New Orleans and north of there. We could see 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. But it's all rain. I promise you this time it is all rain. We look at the places that could actually use the rain. Texas, we're starting to run into a drought here. Arkansas, we could actually really use the rain. Latest drought monitor showing us where we do have extreme drought. We'll get the new update from today, but wouldn't be such a bad thing to get some rain. Hopefully it just doesn't come all at once or affect your plans. All right, let's go coast to coast right now with your Thursday morning weather headlines and the national transport. All right, let's look at your forecast. So let's focus on the Midwest. We saw some big snow in, again, parts of Wisconsin, Michigan. You guys, oh, what a mess with the snow yesterday and last night. But now we just have a little bit of lake effect left, and it's not much at all. Around Marquette, you have that. Traverse City, we have a little bit as well. It is chilly this morning. Temperatures are in the teens, but your trend is actually to get a bit warmer as we get into. Take a look. We've got your weekend in view forecast, and the pattern change coming is that we're going to break down this ridge a little bit in the west, and it's actually going to move a bit into the middle of the country. That will at least help, I think, give us some relief from the relentless Santa Ana winds that we have seen over here into California. The forecast for today is a little bit of snow still left with Winter Storm Chloe. That's on its way out. The chill in the air across the Midwest and the Northeast, that kind of stays locked in. Now, temperatures in places like Dallas, Atlanta, you'll be about 50 for today and tomorrow, but we'll start to see that warming trend as we warm up over the weekend. So look at Dallas, back to 60s, Atlanta back to mid-50s. There is some intermountain snow coming in here to parts of Wyoming, maybe Montana. We get a little snow, perhaps into Colorado. Steamboat, you could get some snow. Denver, you could get some snow at the end of the weekend, but it's not going to be a lot. Our temperatures actually going to be into the upper 30s. All right, so coming up, travel trouble in the Motor City. Snow for sunrise. How's it looking? Let's check out that forecast for you across the country. So expecting a great one here across parts of the South. Places like New Orleans, Baton Rouge, it should be beautiful. Houston, expecting some great color in your sky. I'll be looking at the tower cams. But you guys, if you're in these places, take pictures and send them to me on Twitter. I love to see the sunrise. South Florida and Central Florida looks good as well. Oh, this is sunset. I thought we were doing sunrise. We'll do the same thing for sunset because I like them both. I do prefer sunrise a little bit more, but I love a good sunset too. All right, Mid-Atlantic should be a great sunset. And we're also looking at places like St. Louis. Nice mild day coming your way in the next couple days, right? Today we'll kick it off with a great looking sunset. All right, Winter Storm Chloe is making it. Let's check things things out. You want to, of course, have some good weather for that, because when the rain sets in, then, you know, traffic gets going, and we do have some rain coming our way by this weekend. So here's the pattern change that's coming. What's going to help warm us up is that our jet stream actually starts to ridge a little more across the east, but we get that flow, that southwest flow, and that brings in the moisture as we get into the next couple of days. So not today, dry conditions today, but moisture starts to get pulled north by the time we get into the weekend. So rain is coming back into Texas, into the lower Mississippi Valley, into the south and east as well. There'll be a couple disturbances that come in and use this moisture to help give us some rainfall, and it actually could add up. You know, direct access to the Gulf of Mexico, we could get a couple of inches of rain, especially down into parts of Louisiana, maybe even Arkansas and Mississippi. Sunday's forecast brings the rain into Nashville, into Birmingham, Atlanta. We've got rain coming your way as well. Sticks around into Monday too, but look how far north this rain is, all the way up into Indiana, into Ohio, even into Michigan. So yes, this is a warmer pattern coming in as we look ahead to Monday. All right, let's take a look at some other issues that we got coming in for the weekend, and we'll take you in coast to coast right now with your weather